Install Adobe Photoshop CS2. Adobe Photoshop CS2, Creative Suite 2, is a software that works with graphic design for the web and allows you to retouch or optimize an image. It was developed and published by Adobe Systems and is ideal for professional photographers, serious amateur photographers, graphic designers, and web designers. To install Adobe Photoshop CS2, you have to open the folder Adobe Photoshop CS2 and then click on Adobe Setup. Select a language. Click Install Photoshop CS2. Add your name or nickname to the field provided. Then open the folder of your Adobe Photoshop gen.exe, and add the serial number into the setup. You'll then see the message, "Warning, don't close your keygen program, you will need it later." This is your key generator to get the serial number. Don't close it yet. Return to the Setup field and click Next. You may see another part of the installation appear that says Activate Adobe Photoshop. Visit the activation options and click on By Telephone via the automated software activation system. Then press the Activate button. Now you have to return to your keygen and add in the activation number of your product to generate your authorization code. Put your activation number in the activation number field and then click. Your authorization code will now appear. Now you add your authorization code and finish the installation of your product. Input the authorization code and then click Activate. Now your Adobe Photoshop is installed, activated, and ready to be used. Have fun. Eric S. Useful links. Download via torrent. Download Adobe Photoshop.